UPDF Air Force drive back marauding elephants invading Abim district. On Friday, August the 1st, 2025, approximately 400 elephants from Kidepo National Park crossed into the neighboring Abim district, causing widespread panic and significant destruction to agricultural fields and farmland. The sudden invasion raised serious concerns about food security for the local communities, whose livelihoods heavily depend on subsistence farming. Responding swiftly to the emergency, the Uganda People's Defense Forces, that is UPDF Air Force, deployed helicopters on Saturday to manage and drive back the herd. According to eyewitnesses and local officials, the aerial operation successfully guided the elephants back to their natural habitat in Kidepo National Park, minimizing further damage. Chris Magezi applauded the UPDF's prompt and decisive action, stating, the UPDF Air Force promptly responded today by deploying helicopters that have successfully driven back the marauding elephants to the Kidepo Game Reserve. Decisive action to the threat of food security for the people in the area. Bravo. Elephant invasions in human settlements are not uncommon in areas bordering wildlife reserves, especially during dry seasons when animals search for food and water. However, such large-scale incursions, imagine 400, pose significant threats to local farmers, causing crop destruction and economic losses. Authorities in Abim district continue to monitor the situation closely, coordinating with wildlife officials to mitigate future risks. Community sensitization and preventive measures are also being considered to reduce human-wildlife conflicts. Residents have expressed relief following the UPDF intervention, but called for longer-term strategies to manage wildlife movements and protect farmlands.